Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Trisha with Chocolate Musings. I love to bullet journal, which includes painting, drawing, and creating lettered art. And I'm sure you've heard what they always say is that April showers bring May flowers. Well, that is definitely the case for my bullet journal this month. I decided to do a lot of monoline floral drawings and include those throughout my pages. As you can see from the flip through, I have everything drawn out in pencil, and I am going to outline the flowers and get my bullet journal set up for the month of May. I decided to do a wheel calendar layout for my monthly spread, and partially so that I could do a floral wreath along the inside and have it overlap with the letters of the day and some of the numbers. I decided to add a flip out page which shows a typical monthly calendar layout, and then I also have all of my color codes. And I can use that through all of my weeklies and everything else throughout the month. I thought that was a really fun idea. One of my very favorite pages is my habit tracker, and it's because of the vines that I wove in between the letters. I used a Tombow brush pen, and so it created those thick and thin lines. I love this page. Most of my pages this month are very minimalistic. They don't have a whole lot on them except for the floral drawings. For each day in every single week, I decided to try and draw a different type of flower. I did combine the weekends so that I only had to have 6 circles on each day, but other than that, the rest of the week is pretty clear, and I can fill it in as I need to, add some to-do areas, maybe some trackers if I need those. But across the board, it's a pretty minimal design. Let's do a flip through to show you how all the pages turned out. I love the florals and the wreaths. This is going to be a good month. I'm excited to track and I'm excited to use each of these spreads. And that should do it for today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a thumbs up on the video. I have a full blog post, which you can find the links for below, and any resources that I use to create these pages as well. I wish you joy and creativity every day. I hope you have a great one. Thanks, everybody.